Good morning, everyone. Sam here. Welcome to video 2 of my mini series on remote teaching. Um, Based on feedback I received this weekend on the first video, I decided to demo Perusall rather than Zoom to help teachers and profs with trying to find the balance between making sure the students read the texts or articles, and at the same time that in between classes they're connected. So this is an asynchronous activity because you need to have a balance of synchronous and asynchronous in any course. I'm not going to bother explaining the software in detail as everything is on the website. But basically, the purpose of this, the software is free. You can upload any article or PDF file that you have, and then the students get to work together. So again, you notice you can upload folders, textbooks, websites. This is what the conversation looks like, and the prof gets a complete metric at the end of the week or whenever the work is done. At the same time, it syncs with your LMS. Um, and so here's some of the publishers. And as I said earlier, it's free. Here's the research. You can try a demo. You can watch a webinar. I really recommend trying these both to see if it's for you. And without further delay, let's get into the actual software. I've scrolled back to the top of the page. I logged in a few minutes before I started the video, and this is what my teacher console looks like. Again, you can import this into my courses or your LMS or Moodle. It's totally free, and this is my overview. So I can create a course. I can copy an existing course. This is for the students. It generates a code, and it prompts you through each step of the way, so I wouldn't worry about this. Here's my courses I've taught this past year. First of all, I'm going to, just so you get a screenshot, I'm going to open a demo workshop that I'm working on. So notice it's quite user-friendly. How do you get started? There's the code. What documents are you uploading? What assignments, and who are the students? Since this is a demo, we don't see any students, and there's the code. So again, here's a short story from the New Yorker a couple of weeks ago. I wanted to demo that you can upload. This is straight from the website. Notice the interface is clean. This is the clean reading. This is the reading with comments. This is anything students highlight, so you use these on the side. So again, and you can adjust the screen size. So let me come back. Now let's go to my media class. So here's, actually, let me do the leadership grad class. So here's a grad class I did at Bishop's. This is Fullen's text, 3 keys, how to be a principal, the 3 things you need to know. And if you look here, this was chapter 1. The future is now. So notice I can open the actual chapter, which I will in a minute. Here's the analytics for the chapter. Let me hide that. I gotta be careful. I don't want you to see student comments and deadlines. So here at a glance, we know the 73% got a perfect score from the rubric. And then I can actually glance at what they've done. When you open it, don't freak out. I'm going to open it because there's a lot of comments. That's why I picked this. So you see, these are student comments and the highlights. So it looks rather busy. I can get a clean view. This is the student comments. As a prof, I can scroll on this. I can change the screen size, etc., etc., etc. If it's a PDF file that you want the students to print, it will allow you to print. If not, obviously, if it's a textbook for copyright, you can't. The last thing I want to draw your attention to is that to recap is it assigns the groups automatically, or you can put the groups in yourself. Again, I'm being a bit careful because I don't necessarily want student comments to show up online. So that's www.perusall. Go to the bottom, all the info you have is there. I will also link this on the YouTube when I upload it. This is to take the pressure off teachers and have the students help each other with the work. And best of all, it creates a holistic rubric and the kids really enjoy it. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.